All right, we got it all unboxed here. This one here looks like it's got 4 mids, a tweeter on each end, so 2 tweeters. Your power in goes here, auxiliary in here, auxiliary out. It's also got waterproof covers on it. If you want to put a USB in, they actually go here. So you got your USB MP3 input there. You got several mounting options all through here. And then I guess if you lose your remote, like I said, it does come with 2. Lose your remote, you can adjust everything here. Wiring harness, extra bolts. There's your 2 remotes. And here's your actual brackets for mounting on your cage. And then nice instructions, just like the other one we tried out yesterday.
These instruction manuals are so much better than some I've seen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very easy to understand.
Yeah, for sure.
So we are going to get this thing, get it wired up on my battery, and we'll be back here in a second.